What's good, what's good, what's good? So today I'll be changing out my air filter on my 2014 Honda Accord. This is my part number right here for my air filter for my 2014 Honda Accord. Alright, so I'm gonna take my old one out. That's what I'll be doing right now. So like I said, you got a clip right here. You got one right here. And then you got one right here. Again, push it in, let it pop up. This is my old one right here that I'm taking out. Yep. As I can see, look at all that. Got all that dirt in there. All that trash. Yep, time to take this out. Okay. Make sure the new one is matching my old one. And go from there. Yes. They matching. Yep. Alright. I'm about to install my new one in. You put it in the same way you took it out. Sit right in there, yep. Okay. Get this stuff out my way. And then you can just go and put it back down. Okay. Alright. You're gonna get your little clips and push them on back in. You got one right there. One right there. And one right there. This is on my 2014 Honda Accord. It's time to change it out. Alright. Y'all just stay tuned. And I'll be back with another video.